Hello everyone, welcome back to Manufactory Insights, where we simplify SAP manufacturing and PPDS concepts for consultants, planners, and manufacturing professionals. In our previous videos, we learned what PPDS is, the difference between MRP and PPDS, the PPDS planning process, heuristics, scheduling. Today, we will cover one of the most powerful features in SAP PPDS, that is setup matrix. Many manufacturing companies lose hours every day because of unnecessary setup changes. Imagine changing a machine from producing red paint to blue paint or switching from one pharmaceutical product to another. Every product change requires cleaning, adjustments, inspections, and machine preparation. What if SAP could automatically sequence production to reduce those setup times? That is exactly what setup matrix does. By the end of this video, you will understand what setup matrix is, why companies use it, how it works, where it fits within PPDS scheduling, the business benefits it provides. Let's get started. Let's begin with a simple manufacturing example. Suppose your machine is producing red paint, the next order is blue paint. Before production can begin, operators need to clean the machine thoroughly to prevent contamination. Now, imagine changing again from blue to green. Every product change introduces setup time. Some setup changes may take only few minutes. Others could take several hours. When a factory processes hundreds of production orders each day, these setup times add up quickly. Poor sequencing leads to longer production time, lower machine utilization, increased operating cost, delayed customer deliveries. The question becomes, can we arrange production orders in a better sequence to reduce setup time? This is exactly the problem the setup matrix solves. So what exactly is setup matrix? In simple terms, a setup matrix tells SAP how much setup time is required when switching from one product to another. Think of it as a lookup table. Instead of assuming every setup takes the same amount of time, SAP checks the previous product, then the next product, and automatically determines the required setup duration. For an example, moving from product A to product B might require 2 hours, while moving product A to product C might require only 30 minutes. PPDS uses this information during scheduling to build a more efficient production sequence. Let's make this even easier with the real world example. Imagine a paint manufacturing company changing from red to blue requires extensive cleaning. Therefore, setup time is 120 minutes. Changing from blue to green may require only 60 minutes. Changing from green to yellow might require only 30 minutes. Instead of scheduling orders randomly, PPDS evaluates these setup times and tries to minimize unnecessary cleaning activities. This results in shorter production time and better machine utilization. Now, let's see how setup matrix fits into the PPDS process. Everything starts with the product characteristics. These characteristics are grouped into setup groups. Based on the setup groups, SAP references setup matrix, which stores the setup time between different product combination. During scheduling, PPDS checks this matrix and calculates the total setup time for different production sequences. Finally, PPDS recommends the sequence that minimizes setup time while still respecting capacity and delivery dates. This is why setup matrix works closely with PPDS scheduling. Here is a simplified setup matrix. Notice that every product combination has a different setup time. If we are already producing red and the next order also red, no setup time is required. If we switch from red to blue, SAP knows it needs 120 minutes. If we move from blue to green, only 60 minutes are needed. During scheduling, PPDS continuously evaluates these values to determine the most efficient production sequence. Instead of relying on manual planning, the system automatically considers setup time during scheduling. There are two approaches for maintaining setup matrix. The first is manual setup matrix. Here, the planners manually define the setup groups and manually maintain the setup times. This approach works well when the number of product is relatively small. The second approach is generated setup matrix. Instead of maintaining every combination manually, SAP automatically generates setup relationships based on product characteristics. This is particularly useful in industries with the thousands of products where manual maintenance would be extremely time consuming. Choosing the right approach depends on business complexity and the number of product combinations. Now let's look at the business value. By implementing setup matrix, companies can significantly reduce production downtime. Machines spend less time waiting during changeovers. Capacity utilization improves because valuable production time is no longer wasted. Optimized sequencing reduces unnecessary cleaning and adjustments. Schedules become more realistic because setup times are accurately considered. Ultimately, companies increase throughput, produce more products, and improve customer service. This is why setup matrix is widely used in process manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, food production, and many other industries. Let's connect everything we have learned so far. Demand generates requirements. Heuristics creates plan orders. Then comes setup matrix, which determines the setup relationship between products. Scheduling uses this information along with the capacity constraints to build an optimized production sequence. Finally, the production executes the optimized schedule. Notice something important. Setup matrix is not a separate planning tool. It supports scheduling by providing accurate setup time information. Without setup matrix, scheduling cannot be fully optimized production sequences. Let's quickly summarize today's discussion. Setup matrix helps reduce setup time between production orders. It provides setup durations based on product transition. It works together with the PPDS scheduling to optimize production sequence. It improves machine utilization, reduces downtime, and creates more realistic production schedules. If you are implementing PPDS, setup matrix is one of the most valuable features for improving production efficiency. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how setup matrix works in SAP PPDS. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to Manufacturing Insights for more practical SAP PPDS tutorials. In the next videos, we will continue exploring advanced PPDS topics with the real-world examples and implementation insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.